Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Danielleish. If you've never been here before, it's nice to meet you. My name is Danielle Price, and today I have it's a product review. I really wanted to get a nice looking pair of lashes because now that I'm getting more into YouTube again and starting to do more makeup looks, I just really wanted to find eyelashes just to complement my looks. And I've been looking for something that is more on like the high-end like faux mink style lashes, but I'm kind of balling on a budget here. I saw my last video, that's why. But I think I found the gold mine. I think I hit the jackpot. I was looking up lashes on Amazon just to kind of see what I would come across, and when it comes to Amazon, I make sure that no ma'am. I definitely have to read all the reviews. I found a 7-pair pack of faux mink lashes by a company called Veleasha on Amazon. It has 4.5 stars and over 1,600 reviews. These looked really great. Like I said, it comes with 7 different pairs and they are faux mink. These shipped to me really fast. Got them very quickly after I ordered them. Just really quick before I get into this, don't forget to like this video if you're excited to watch it. Subscribe if you're not already part of my family, my Danielleish family. I would love to be able to chit chat with you guys, so let me know what you think in the comment section below. I bought these myself. This company did not reach out to me. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just really excited to see what they look like. This is the packaging. These are the lashes. They have some pretty dramatic styles in there, but that's actually what I was looking for. They are different. Like I said, there's 7 different pairs, so some are more natural and some are just a little bit more dramatic. A lot of people said that these were super lightweight, they were easy to apply, that they were the best lashes ever. So for the price, which is great, I'm super excited about it. I only paid $11.18 for this pack of 7 lashes and they look amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out of the packaging and try some on, and we'll see like what we're looking like. It just comes in this like little plastic thing. But I do really like these. I think they're super cool. I know people who aren't used to wearing lashes are probably like, whoa, these are insane. I kind of like that about them. I like some crazy lashes. So I'm actually pretty excited to see kind of how these look on me. It kind of looks like these ones and these ones in the middle are going to be a little bit more natural looking. The other ones are pretty dramatic. One trick when you're actually putting lashes on, or if you're just now trying them on or whatever, is you have to cut them to your eye shape. So typically, at least for me, the band of the length of the lash is actually going to be too long for my eyes. So I usually just cut like the middle part off or the end off. It doesn't really matter. It's kind of up to your own personal preference. So let me go grab some scissors and we'll try some of these on. Okay, so I got my scissors. I'm just going to start peeling these off. So I'm basically just going to pull one end off. Wow, these lashes have a really thick band, which I definitely appreciate. One thing I like about the thick bands is if you don't have eyeliner on or you want to apply lashes without eyeliner, it kind of fills the gap of what eyeliner would in between your real lashes if they're placed close enough to the eye. See how thick the band is? That's what I like in a good lash. These are really wispy, but they're not like over the top. So I think I'm gonna try these on today. They're probably some of the most natural ones in the pack. So I already have my makeup done. I already have eyeliner on, and I have just a light sweep of mascara just to kind of get my lashes doing what they're supposed to be doing. So it looks like I can probably cut some off on the inner corner. I wish there was a better way for you guys to see this. I'm just gonna cut off about this much. Look a little bit shorter, and this should fit my eye shape. I'm just gonna lay them without glue first. Definitely need to glue them down. You can see the little gap here, but I actually think these are really cute. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the other ones and then we will see what they look like on me. Okay, so ignore the fact that these need to be glued down still, but I just wanted to make sure that these fit my eyes correctly. Now that I have them both on, I think once they're glued down, they're gonna be really, really cute. They are big lashes, but they don't look massive. Like, you have to remember, they're not sitting 100% correctly down onto my lash line. They would need glued down. As far as the size of these go, I don't think that they look unnatural, and I actually think they're really pretty. This would definitely be a very solid lash for me. I don't know how many uses you can get out of these, but I am probably guessing if you take good care of them, probably 15 to 20 uses, maybe even more. So I'm not gonna glue them down today because I am not doing a major makeup look, and of course I am stuck inside like everybody else, so there's nowhere for me to go. All dressed up and nowhere to go. I just wanted to put these on this way, just at least so you guys could kind of see a general idea of the thickness of these and they would actually look like on my eyes. If you are scared of lashes, I don't think there's a reason to be, but if lashes freak you out, this might be a little bit too dramatic for you. I do think lashes like this show up great in photos though, so if you are looking to have your makeup done professionally, I do highly recommend that you do get some lashes for your shoot. Some of these lashes are kind of cuckoo bananas crazy, but I want to try some of them on. So I'm gonna go ahead and try on these up here. I think these spidery lashes are kind of crazy, but I think they're really fun and I'm definitely gonna have to cut them first. So let me go ahead and get these cut and I will start laying them down on my eyeline. This is what these lashes look like up close and personal. Remember that this whole entire set was $11. Like I said, I think I hit the jackpot with these because I love the quality of them. They're perfect. So these are a little more crazy, but exciting at the same time. They are so lightweight. And I think with big bulky lashes like this, oh my gosh, that's insane. I definitely think that the weight of them is the key, because since these are so lightweight, I can barely feel them on my eyes. I definitely don't think that this is a eye look that I would wear all the time just because it's not me. Do I think it looks bad? No, not at all. Definitely for a fun night out or even just like a crazy makeup look, I think that this would be really cute. But day to day, this is not my vibe. That's okay. If you are a glasses wearer like me, you're not going to be wearing glasses when you have lashes like these on, just saying. But I like them. I think this is really fun. It's really cute. It's kind of growing on me a little bit actually. Wow, now that I have taken them off, I feel naked. Where'd my eyelashes go? The last pair that I want to try on is kind of the other more natural lashes. It's going to be these ones right here. I think these are going to be like super natural. Okay, so these ones kind of remind me of the first pair that I tried on. Still, honestly, could probably cut them a little bit shorter. Adhesive on these things is intense. That's good, because right now I don't even need lash glue. Other than the fact that I am missing eyeliner, which is a key component to this eye look. And I would probably trim a little bit off the ends of these just to make them look a little bit more natural. But I do think that they're really pretty. I don't think that they are massive. I would just trim the ends. Final thoughts on this. I am super excited about these. I had Morphe lashes. I've had one of the Lily lashes a while back. It's like the Allure. Every lash brand you can pretty much think of, I feel like I've tried for the most part. I can say that these definitely hold in comparison. They're super lightweight. Even the giant ones that I tried on, I couldn't feel them on my eyes. So I think like the shocking part of actually looking at them was crazier because they look like they're heavy, but I didn't feel like they were heavy. Veleasha is the brand. I'll link these in the description box below. But I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I've found, and it's kind of a good dupe, honestly, for really expensive lashes, which I know most girls want and most girls can't afford. So not really like high end on the packaging or anything, but like at the end of the day, like you just need something to hold the lashes. You don't necessarily need like something that's like adding on to your expenses, unless you're like a collector, because that's one thing, but I'm not a collector and most people aren't. So let me know what you think about these in the comment section. Let me know if it's something that you're interested in. Like I said, this video is not sponsored and they have not sent this to me, nor have they contacted me. I just found them and thought that it would be a good idea to kind of show you what I think about them. So if you guys like my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please don't forget to comment and like them. I am so happy to be able to have the time to really sit down and film videos, and there's lots more to come. So thank you guys again for watching, and I will see you in my next video.